girls, friends, neighbors, gearheads of all ages. Field Agent 880 coming to you for Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. And we are in the wind. This is an update video on the 66 Belvedere.
This is the first time I've driven my old car.
First time he's driven it. And we're doing it on Saturday afternoon with the sun shining. Got an arm hung out the window enjoying the day.
Sasquatch got me in a headlock and beat me out of it.
It says one of the best Sasquatch headlocks I've ever done.
Couldn't get out of the headlock.
But that's looking out over that Hemi hood scoop that would have been factory for one of these cars in '66. Rolling gears on 4-speed stick. Hitting the highway. Now, normally you wouldn't see one of these cars on the interstate much, but this one's got a 355 gear, so you can still do it. Bob's not even scaring me yet, so he's not, you know.
Need to do alignment on the front end. Yeah. It steers good, it drives good, it brakes good.
Makes everybody smile.
It does. And it's the cool car.
Even the co-pilot. Cool car rolling down the interstate.
Take this next exit.
Belvedere 2. 440 4-speed. 355 short grip. And classic Bob behind the wheel. Appreciate y'all coming along for the adventure. I'm glad Bob finally got to drive his old Belvedere. It's a historic, monumental occasion.
Right here?
Yep. Alright.
What's that noise?
Sounds like maybe the brakes are scrubbing a little bit. Alright, there we go. Third gear. You got it this time, Bob. There you go. Third. There it is, rolling the gears, getting back out on the interstate. There's just nothing like one of these old cars on
I know where
line.
third's at now. There's 2 thirds. One to the left, one you gotta go further over to the right.
Yeah, you gotta get the right third, man. Getting the right third helps.
If you don't go all the way over, it don't go in. It feels like it does, but it doesn't.
There's nothing like a big block 4-speed car. Appreciate y'all riding along with us.
The gas gauge don't work.
Yeah, it doesn't. We do have gas though, so we won't run out before we get back. That's,
This car drives great. Look at that.
So if you've been riding, give us a thumbs up. Hit the like and subscribe.
I have driven all kinds of muscle cars and old cars. This car drives really well.
Yeah, it's not scary at all. It's got decent road manners. I mean, it's not perfect. It's got a lot of little things still need to be worked out on it. But the Belvedere is back up and running. And y'all have witnessed it. So we have proof.
There's about 4 videos on the channel of this car as it was being put together.
Yeah, you can go back from the beginning and check the updates. And now you've went riding with us. So like I said, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification and the like. Look around at the other videos of it and some of the other stuff on the channel. You'll be happy you did. Field Agent 880, thanks for riding along.